Hi, welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to download 26AS in Excel format from Traces portal. First, we have to log into Traces portal, come to the Traces site, click on Login, then select the taxpayer. You will get this screen. Make sure that taxpayer is checked, and here you give the credential and the password. Then type the captcha, click on Login, select Proceed. And under View tab, View or Verify Tax Credit tab, you can see View Form 26AS or Annual Tax Statement. Click on that. You will come to this screen. Select the assessment year. Here, for example, I am selecting 24-25. I select in the View as Select Excel and click on View or Download. Proceed. OK. After that, you come to download. Click on the requested download. Here, click on the View All. You can see we have selected assessment year 24-25. For that, the status shown as submitted, which means that it is submitted, and once the status changes into available, then we will be able to download. That's all. In case if you do not have a credential created as a taxpayer, then you will have to create first, then you can download it. That's all. Thank you.